How to blur a face in KineMaster. First of all, open KineMaster and import a video clip where you want to blur the face. Next, tap on the layer button, then select effect to add a blur effect. Choose a blur effect like Gaussian Blur or Mosaic from the available options. After adding the blur effect, adjust its size and position by dragging the blur layer over the face you want to hide. You can resize and move it to cover the face perfectly. To keep the blur on the face as it moves, use the keyframe feature. Tap the keyframe icon and set the blur position at different points in the timeline, moving the blur to follow the face frame by frame. Once you are satisfied with the tracking, preview your video to make sure the blur stays in place throughout. Finally, export your video with the blurred face. Now you know how to blur a face in KineMaster. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.